Hello guys, so if you're looking to invite your friends on Temu, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly open the application, then click on the U option at the middle, then click on earn credit and free gifts. Now I'm just going to choose any option over here, so I'm going to choose puzzle party over here, click on it. Now as you can see, there are multiple gifts that you can claim for free over here, so choose a singular gift. Let's say this one, click on that, click on confirm item, and then your address will pop up over here. Click confirm the address, and now just simply click on collect now, complete the mini game. Now after that, when you will come to this page where you will need more pieces to complete the puzzle, click on invite new app users, click on that. Now this type of option will pop up, so over here all of your social media application will be shown, or you can also click on the copy link over here to copy the link. Then after doing that, just simply send it to your friend, and through that link your friends will be able to come to the application. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.